everyone. I hope you guys are doing well. I wanted to bring you this credit builder credit card, which is bankruptcy friendly, and you can get approved up to $3,000. And you can see if you are pre-qualified with a soft inquiry that would not affect your credit score. Now, if you've been following my information, you know adding an unsecured line of credit or credit card to your credit profile, if you're under a 700 credit score, can increase your score by 50 points. And you can use that technique by increasing your credit score by 50 points all the way up to a 700 credit score without removing one negative item. Now, if you're new to my channel is designed to help you no matter where you are in your credit journey. So that means if you have good credit, bad credit, or excellent credit, this channel is for you. And we teach you how to leverage your credit to gain assets. So if you like that kind of information, make sure you give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel and hit your notification bell so you can be notified anytime I upload a new video. Also, I give you a free hard inquiry removal package at my website because hard inquiries can get you denied for credit. I also have other credit packages for purchase to remove your negative items off your credit report. And if you need my help personally, you can sign up where I can help you. And I leave all these links in the description of each video and in my pinned comment section. So let's jump into this information. Now, Prosper is a company mostly known to give out personal loans, but they do also offer home equity lines of credit. And now they have recently rolled out their credit builder credit card. Now, this is designed to help people with troubled credit to begin the rebuild process and to help improve your credit score. Now, what's great about this credit card, they do approve bankruptcy. There have been people reported that they have gotten approved for this credit card 5 months after a Chapter 7 bankruptcy discharge. And some people, they even said that 3 years after a Chapter 7, they got approved for this card. And if you're a person with bankruptcy, you know it's kind of hard to find companies that will accept that bankruptcy on your credit profile. And you can have a pretty decent credit score, but it's just the bankruptcy that many companies don't work with. But Prosper is one of those companies that you could get approved for that credit card. Also, if you're a person with a lower credit score, Prosper can be for you, because there's no security deposit required. And this card offers a 0 annual fee for the first year. But after that first year, it is a $39 annual fee if you keep the card. And they don't actually charge you for ATM fees and withdrawals. And they do offer you a minimum credit line approval from $500 to $3,000. And if you're approved for the card, you will get instant access to your credit line, and they will give you that instant access of 50% of your approved credit line. And then they give you fraud protection and financial resources. So you can get these benefits with this card. And keep in mind, this is a credit builder card. Now, their credit score approvals on average is a 630 and up credit score, but there's reports that people are getting approved even with a 600 credit score, and they will be pulling from either TransUnion or Experian. So if you guys want to apply for this card, to increase your chances, make sure you check your TransUnion and your Experian credit score, and make sure you pay down your current credit card balances before the report date. Then apply for this card so you have a better chance of being approved. This card allows you to set up auto pay, so you don't have to worry about missing a payment, meaning that they will automatically take out the payments out of your bank account. This also give you an opportunity to make good financial habits count. And they offer automatic reviews for credit line increases. So if you don't get the full $3,000 initially, you'll constantly be reviewed to see if you qualify for automatic increase. So that would help you improve your credit score. Now, this card does have an APR of 23.99% to 34.99%, and it's all based off your credit worthiness. So for you guys that want to build your credit history, this can be a good opportunity or increase your credit score. This will not be for a person with premium credit or fair credit, because you might have better options than this. This is going to be for those that's trying to build their credit. Now, with the annual fee, and being that this card is capped at $3,000, you might want to only keep this card for a year when your credit increase or is built, and then you apply for another credit card later on down the road or within that year. You may want to let this card go because now you have opened the door for yourself for better options. Also remember, with this being a soft pull pre-approval, that is just to see if you fit into what credit profile they're looking for. If you get approved for this card and decide to take it, or even if you don't get approved, it turns into a hard inquiry. So if you have some questions, you can leave them in the comment section. Or if you need to contact me personally, you can do so at my website. And I hope to see you in the next video.